Our topic of the day is models. Models are used to express moods. These are can, could, may, might, shall, should, ought to, must, used to, dare, need. These all are called models. First is our can, could. Can is in our present form and could is in our past form. It is used to express power, capability, ability, and energy. Examples are here. I can solve this sum. Ability of a person. I can means I am able to solve this sum. He can walk 2 miles continuously. Showing capability, energy. I could lift 20 kg in my young days. Energy, capability. Power. God can do anything. My father can do anything for me. These are examples of power. Next model is may, might. May is in our present form, present participle, and might is our past participle. It is used for past tense. May, might. It is used to express request, permission, possibility, doubt, and blessings. Here are examples. May I come in? For permission. May I take your pen, please? Again for permission. Mark of interrogation is given here. Next. It may rain today. Slight possibility. Because it may and may not rain today. Both things can be. So it is for slight possibility that it may rain today. Next is Rishi worked hard so that he might pass. Possibility. Worked hard to be passed. He may win the race. Again, it is for possibility. May you live long and healthy life. May you live long and healthy life. It is our blessing. Mark of exclamatory here. One example is remaining. He may win the race. It is for slight possibility again. May I take your pen? It was our request. Our request in the form of interrogation. Next. Will, would. Will is our present tense, present participle, and would is our past. Will is used in future indefinite tense with he, she, it, you, they. Would. It is used to express wish, desire, and imagination. Examples are only of would because will is quite simple to use with these subjects in future indefinite tense. So examples of would are here. If I would be the Prime Minister of India. To wish, desire, imagination. Next is Seema would help me if I told her. Again, imagination. She would help me if I told her. It is in our past tense, would, told. If I would be the Prime Minister in India, it is our imagination, our wish, our desire. So will and would, it is used to express wish, desire, and imagination. Next model is our shall, should. Shall is used again in future indefinite tense with I, subject I, and we. It is used to express common duty. Should. It is used to express common duty. For example, you should write neatly. If writing will be readable, eligible, corrigible, only then it will be appreciated by all. Parents should look after their kids. Next, we should work hard. These all are common duties. Next is ought to. It is used to express moral duty. Ought to is used to express moral duty. Examples are here. We ought to respect our parents. Morality it shows. Moral duty it is. We ought to act upon teachers' advice. Our teachers' advice. We ought to help the poor. It shows morality. Next is must. It expresses compulsory duty. Ought to is for moral duty and shall is for common duty. Must is for compulsory duty. We must obey traffic rules. It is compulsory, otherwise we'll fined. We must respect our national symbols. If anywhere we disrespect them, then we will be punished for that. You must obey the constitution. Anyhow, if we'll disobey it, again there will be a particular punishment. So these all are our compulsory duties. Next model is used to. When there is expression of repetition of verb again and again in the sentence, means there is a work and again we are doing that, then it is not possible to use verb form again and again. So for that this modal auxiliary is used to. I used to go to school daily in my childhood. Used, past tense, go, because it is a repeated work. So go, we can't say it went. There will be no sense of these verb form. So modal used to we have to use here. I used to go to school daily in my childhood. Repetition of verb, repeated work again and again. Next is my father used to play guitar in his young age. Next is my mom used to help me in my studies. So these were our modal auxiliaries. Should is used for common duty. Should is used for common duty, express common duty. Ought to for moral duty. Must is compulsory duty and ought to is for repetition of work. In our next video, remaining modal auxiliaries we'll discuss there.